Hey everyone! Ever wanted a button that turns something on with one press and off with the next press, just like a light switch at home? Today we're going to build exactly that, and we're going to use a 12-volt relay to do it. That means this circuit can control real-world loads, like lights, fans, or motors, with just a gentle button press. Don't worry if you're brand new to electronics. We'll go through every part, every connection, nice and easy. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build your very own push-on, push-off switch that controls a 12-volt relay from scratch. Let's get started. The circuit runs on 12 volts. At the heart are two 2N3904 NPN transistors, Q1 and Q2, always in opposite states, one on, the other off. At rest, Q2 is off. Its collector sits high at 12 volts. That voltage flows through R4 into Q1's base, keeping Q1 on. Q1's collector is near zero. Capacitor C1 stores that low voltage. The relay is off. The lamp is dark. Now, press the button. C1 dumps its stored 0 volts into Q1's base. Q1 switches off. Q1's collector rises to 0.7 volts, just enough to turn Q2 on. Q2 pulls current through the relay coil. The contacts snap shut. The lamp lights up. Latched on. Press again. This time, C1 has charged to 0.7 volts, enough to flip Q1 back on. Q1 on means Q2 off. Relay releases, lamp goes dark. Back to the start. The cycle repeats perfectly, every time. One small detail. Diode D1 across the relay coil catches the voltage spike when the relay turns off. Always protect your transistors. 2 transistors, 1 capacitor, 4 resistors, 1 diode, and a circuit that remembers your last button press. No chips required. Try building it yourself. All you need is a breadboard and basic parts. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more circuit breakdowns. Got questions? Drop them below.